the figures that are there from all our agencies, from the government agencies, NACADA, from the government agency, Port Reitz Hospital, from the non-governmental agencies, MEWA, Reach Out, and Mombasa Women Network, all of them are confirming that Muguka has caused widespread damage, especially on our younger generation. We have tried to be able to work out a way in which we can be able to come up with regulations, in ways in which we can be able to say that let us see how we can be able to coexist and our children don't get spoiled. Those who are dealing with this have refused. I have looked at all these factors. I have consulted legally, and it is found to be in order. And I have signed an executive order to ban the entry of Muguka into Mombasa, to ban the sale and consumption of Muguka into Mombasa as well. For those who are asking the legal basis as well, the content in the plant called Muguka, caffeine and cathinol, is of a very, very high level. An average of about 20 leaves are enough to start making someone have toxic imaginations. 20 leaves. Imagine a child consuming this at school hours. And as I'm doing this, we've opened up centers, that there'll be outreach centers. The Department of Education, who over the last couple of months have been discussing and talking to the young children, have found in their report that the issue of Muguka has been raised by the children themselves, that it is a problem. Other than the fact that children feel and want the love of their parents, more so, we've equally consulted with every single person, and this executive order stands, copies of which will be given to yourselves. And I'm hoping that the members of the public will appreciate this was a decision whose time has come to be made.